What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today we're going to be unboxing and checking out this Greenworks 1600 PSI pressure washer. 99 bucks, I'll give it a try. This one actually comes with this little nozzle do here. Let's see if we got a better picture. Check it out. For washing your car, getting all the soap and suds on there. I got this just kind of around the house, nothing, you know, industrial, professional, just a little pressure washer. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in it. Okay. All right, I'll set it right here. First thing we got, a handle. All right, okay, a handle. Little plastic instructions, pair of instructions, and looks like we got one of the nozzles. Got our high pressure hose, handle. Looks like a little nozzle extension or a handle extension. Guessing it goes in like that. Here's our little soap sud machine, or little soap sud bottle. That's what it's called, not a machine. A soap sud bottle for the machine. And this is it. There it is. There's the Greenworks machine right there. And right on the side of it, right here, we got our last nozzle. This is, I guess, your little rinse or spray nozzle. Right here, it's got the 40-degree stream on it. Okay, that just goes right on the side. See over here, it looks like you could actually hook plug this little ding dong in there. But it looks like this will stay on right there. Look at that. So now it holds it right there in place. So I guess first off, we need a Phillips screwdriver. 2 grooves, it just slides right into. Just like that. Right here, see that? It's a 35-foot cord, so that'll reach pretty far. I got like another 50-foot extension cord I'm gonna use, so that should be plenty to get me out in the driveway and wash the car. So let's go ahead and finish getting this together. Looks like both ends are the same, so you can't mix them up. So right on the front, you connect your line. So you kind of just push it down a little bit and it clicks, and then you tighten it. Okay, and then from here, we get our extension. You just push it. You can see that, so it goes down. You're gonna have a little bit of a gap there. I don't know if you can see it. But you press it and it clicks, and then you twist it in place. So you're gonna have to push this one down, click that on, and then from here, it's just it, just like that. You just put your favorite soap in here. Guaranteed. All right, so we're back. So we're gonna be using Rain-X. This is a a foaming car wash. We're gonna fill up that bottle. So we plugged in our extension cord. We got our hose here. Go around on the side. Just like that. Let's test it out. Okay. So as far as how loud it is, to me it sounds about as loud as a small shop vac. So let's go ahead and turn the water on, and we're gonna try with, let's just rinse the truck off first with the the regular old nozzle do here? Fire it up. And just disconnect. We're gonna put our high pressure nozzle. Let's stick it right here. Let's see the difference here. Let's do it. So it cleans a little bit. Not the greatest. Let's go ahead and try this little nozzle here. I'm going to fill it up with some soap. Crank it up. Look at that, we're almost already out. I guess what you do is you just go over it. In order for this to work right, this is what you got to do. So in my opinion, the only nozzle I like is that 40-degree one, this one right here. Seems like it does a pretty good job. As far as the high-powered one goes, I don't see a difference in how much pressure comes out of it as far as hitting the concrete of the car. And the soap nozzle, it just kind of sprays all the soap on the car. It doesn't really foam it up. But I will try different soap right now and see if it works. Yeah. This is the super foaming car wash, so let's pour it in. Not really foaming like you would expect, but for 99 bucks, I guess that's what you get. check it out. It actually did a pretty good job at cleaning dirt. That's about all it's good for. No, that's cool. I would give it a thumbs in betweener on this one. We'll try the old turbo nozzle on the lawnmower. As you can see, it's got a little grease on there. Let's see how clean we can get this thing. Surprisingly enough, check it out. It knocked all that grease off. Let's look at the other side. We got some dirt and grime in here. See it all in there? Alright guys, so you just saw the Greenworks here, the $99 purchase at Lowe's. And, you know, this one does a pretty good job. As you've seen, it cleaned up, you know, the grease and stuff off the engine on that mower pretty good. You know, it cleaned up all the brake dust and stuff off the wheels nicely. But it didn't have enough power to get, you know, like the stuck on grease off the concrete or that latex paint that kind of spilt there. So yeah, the soap bottle, didn't really care for it. I thought it was kind of pointless. It used a lot of soap. And basically all it does is spray soap onto the car, and you still got to go out there and scrub it. So it doesn't foam up, you know, like the picture. And then if you look, it's actually, the foam nozzle is a different product. This is just a soap, what do they call it? It's just a soap applicator. It just applies soap. It doesn't really foam things up, you know, like I was thinking. So that was kind of a letdown. But, you know, you saw, it cleaned out the bed of that truck pretty nice. You know, that dirt that was sitting in all those crevices, been sitting there for months, you know, just knocked it right out. So it makes it a lot easier, you know, for cleaning things like that. So great for light duty, you know, if you're just around the house, you know, cleaning up around the house, you know, cleaning off your fence or your stucco, or, you know, a thin layer of dirt off the concrete to, you know, clean it up a little bit. I think it would be great. It's small, compact, you could pretty much stick that anywhere. And for 99 bucks, you know, that's not bad, you know. So when you go try to get a heavy duty pressure washer, you're gonna be spending, you know, between $400 or $500 probably. So for 99 bucks, I mean, I think I would give it a thumbs up after putting it to the test. Thanks for watching the 5150 Gringo Garage. Hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe, turn on the notifications, because I love making videos for y'all and I want you to be the first to watch it, and I will see you next time.